Welcome to the Cloud Dolphin Backup Introduction. This is a short video that will demonstrate our backup software. First of all, we need to open the Cloud Backup software. We have a simple, easy-to-use view that even an inexperienced user could navigate. Let's go ahead and set up a backup schedule. Start by selecting the Backup Sets tile. Select Add New Backup Set. You can name your backup set if you like and select the backup type you wish to set up. Click Next. Here you can select the default selections or choose from the file system if you'd like to back up a specific file. Scroll through and select the document you require to back up. Then press OK. Click Next. Here you can run a backup schedule to repeat daily by selecting Run Scheduled Backup, then change the requirements to what is needed. We would select Run Retention Policy on here if you have a retention policy set up on your account with us. Click OK. Click Next. On the destination screen, you can select where you'd like to store your data. Select Add New Storage Destination. This option is set to our very own secure cloud. Click OK. Click Next. We would leave this option disabled so as to keep encryption enabled. Click Next. Here we'll keep encryption on so we can conform with GDPR laws. Confirm your password is correct and press Next. And that's all you have to do. Your backup set is created. You can run an initial backup now if you wish, or just wait for the schedule to run it for you. To view your backup reports, select the Reports tile. Here you can view the details of any backup that's been run. For more tutorials and updates, just follow the links to Facebook and YouTube. We hope you enjoyed this introduction. For more information on how to get started with a Cloud Dolphin backup solution, call or inquire through our website at clouddolphin.co.uk.